What is 9/11? Most of you might have heard it in school or looked it up online, or maybe you have even experienced it yourself. So basically, Osama bin Laden was the leader of the al-Qaeda group that hijacked 2 planes and crashed them into the towers. But not only were people's lives affected physically or mentally, but also emotionally because of the losses of family and friends. Imagine 104 stories crumbling in front of you or on top of you. Firemen and policemen went to the rescue. They went into the rubble and tried to get people out, tried to save them from the buildings. But unfortunately, the people that were in the hijacked planes wouldn't have made it because they would have instantly died from the impact. It's really, really sad and very unfortunate that this had to happen. So not only were the first responders and workers that died, but also family members. These people were important in others' lives. But the new law of Homeland Security is sure to protect and make sure that this doesn't happen again. We, as a country, are ready and stronger than ever. So now let's get on and explain more of the health effects of 9/11. There was a lot of dust, so people were open to a lot of diseases with respiratory issues. In an article I read online called 15 Years Later, nearly 40,000 people have health conditions related to 9/11. So this article is what I mostly use for most of the information in this video, and I found this on healthline.com. So yes, imagine from 2001 to 2019, the people's lungs or whatever they got affected would have been really, really damaged over time. For example, diseases would have been occurring from debris or chemicals in the air from the towers crashing. Examples are bronchitis, asthma, and even chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Sorry, little lungs. Cancers like lung cancer or lung problems would have been very, very common as well. And according to the Healthline article, doctors stated that, most cancers related to 9/11 usually occur in young ages. So what are some examples of chemicals that were in the air? Well, there was glass fibers, chemicals like dioxin, or sometimes even metals like lead in the air, cement particles as well. So yes, these problems would have caused cancers and lung problems as well. It's because of all the inhaled toxins. But that's not the only thing. There were mental illnesses as well, like anxiety disorders, depression, and trauma from the attacks or tragic events. So not all of these deaths were instant, but some were. Like if people jumped off the buildings, or if they got burned in the fire, or if they basically just got crushed by the building falling or were in the planes that were hijacked. But anyways, cancers have latency periods, which is like they appear usually years after. It's not always going to be instant. But do not worry, because there is still hope. According to the article on healthline.com, in 2012, these first cancers were added to the list of conditions eligible for treatment. You're in good hands now, little lungs. Thank you so much for your patience and understanding towards this very sensitive topic. Hope this was very educational for you. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye for now, and thank you so much for watching this video.